Welcome to the international biomedical job updates of Dubai, Kuwait, Qatar, and UAE. Company name NMC Healthcare. Position Biomedical Manager. Qualification degree in biomedical engineering or equivalent field is required. You can directly apply through this given website. Next, organization name Ajman University, location UAE, role biomedical engineering technician, qualification bachelor's degree in biomedical engineering or technology is mostly preferred. Experience a minimum of 3 years experience is mostly preferred. You can directly contact through this number. Next, company name Biomedical, job title biomedical engineer, job location Al Kuwait. Experience 3 to 5 years. Education, any graduation is preferred. Vacancy is one vacant. You can directly apply through this given details. Next, hospital name Oslo for establishing and managing hospitals. Location Hawali, Kuwait. Role sales representative. Qualification bachelor's degree in biomedical engineering. Prior experience in medical or dental sales is mostly preferred. You can directly apply through this given mail ID. Next, company name Gulf Truck LLC. Role biomedical engineer. Location Dubai, United Arab Emirates, UAE. Experience is 1 to 6 years is mostly preferred. You can directly apply through this given company website. Next, company name AMMCS. Position Biomedical Engineer. Location Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Experience required 3 to 5 years is mostly preferred. You can directly apply through this given company website. Next, hospital name Adam Vital Hospital. Role biomedical engineer. Education Bachelor's of Technology in Biomedical. Experience 1 to 10 years is mostly preferred. You can directly apply through this given website details. Next, hospital name Astor Hospitals. Role biomedical engineer. Education any graduation is preferred. Experience 6 to 10 years in relevant field. You can directly apply through this given company website. Next, company name Vectrus. Role biomedical technician. Education any graduation. Experience 3 to 5 years is mostly preferred. Location United Arab Emirates. Company website is given below. You can directly apply through this given details. Next, company name Biomedical. Job title Biomedical Engineer. Job location Al Kuwait. Experience 3 to 5 years in relevant field is preferred. Education any graduation. You can directly apply through this given details. Next, company name NMC. Job title Biomedical Engineer. Experience 3 to 5 years. Job location Dubai, UAE. Education bachelor's degree in biomedical is mostly preferred. You can directly apply through this given details. Next, company name client of TalentMate. Job title Biomedical Engineer. Experience 2 to 4 years is mostly preferred. Job location Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. You can directly apply through this given details. Next, company name Response Plus Medical Services. Job title Biomedical Engineer. Experience 3 to 10 years is mostly preferred. Job location United Arab Emirates. You can directly apply through this given details. Next, company name Star Services LLC. Job title Medical Equipment Sales Manager. Experience 3 to 7 years is mostly preferred. Job location United Arab Emirates. Education any graduations you can apply through this given contact number. Next, company name G Healthcare. Job title ECT Field Engineer. Experience 1 to 2 years is mostly preferred. Job location Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Education requirement Bachelor's of Technology or Engineering is most preferred. You can directly contact to this number. Next, company name ABN Corporation. Job title Sales Manager. Experience 3 to 8 years is mostly preferred. Job location either Qatar. Education Bachelor's of Technology or Engineering is preferred. One vacant is there. You can directly contact through this number. Follow for more updates on international biomedical job updates.